Masyadong mabagal daw ang pagkilos ng gobyerno sa welga ng mga manggagawa sa Canada Post. Ito po ang pakiramdam ng ilang small business owners sa gitna ng anunsyo ng Labor Minister na posibleng utusan na magbalik trabaho ang mga nagwewelgang manggagawa. Narito ang report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Ipapadala na ni Labor Minister Stephen McKinnon ang labor dispute ng Canada Post at Canadian Union of Postal Workers o CUPW sa Canada Industrial Relations Board. Umabot na ng 5 linggo ang welga kung saan patuloy na naiipit ang ilang negosyo.
You know, it's great to hear this from the minister. The government's finally stepping in, but to us and to other businesses out there, it's a little too late for them to be stepping in. Holidays are coming up. It's about a week and a half till Christmas. There's already a backlog within Canada Post, and if we submit anything else to Canada Post, we're just not going to have our products in our customers' hands by the holidays.
Ayon kay McKinnon, patuloy na lumalala ang sitwasyon. Kamakailan, sinabi ng isang federal mediator, hindi raw bumubuti ang mga negosasyon. Ani Pangilinan, hindi niya na raw kayang maghintay sa resulta ng welga, kaya gumagamit na lamang siya ng ibang courier. Pero malaking hamon ito dahil kailangan niyang isa-isahin ang mga padala na para sana sa Canada Post at palitan ang mga label.
This is going to just take us some time because we're taking everything that was already labeled and processed through Canada Post that has been sitting with us and now is going to be relabeled and shipped through Chit Chats. So this is going to be a long process because we have to go through every single order that is already processed, relabel them, enter in every address, enter in every any kind of declaration forms that have to go through. It's just going to be a lot of elbow grease, but we're happy to do it because we want to make sure our customers do get these products in their hands by Christmas.
Ayon kay McKinnon, maglulunsad din sila ng Industrial Inquiry Commission upang matignan kung bakit natatagalan ang mga negosasyon. Inutusan ng commission na maghanda ng report para sa Minister, Canada Post at CUPW sa May 15, 2025.
The inquiry will have a broad scope as it will examine the entire structure of Canada Post from both a customer and business model standpoint, considering the challenging business environment now facing Canada Post.
Ang unyong kinatawan ng postal workers, dismayado sa anunsyo ni McKinnon. Anila, banta ito sa kanilang karapatang magwelga at makakuha ng maayos na kasunduan. Sisiyasatin daw nila ang kalalabasang ulat ng komisyon.
Good news, but the long-term challenge of Canada Post is just starting. The company's bleeding millions and millions of dollars every day itself, losing $200–300 million a quarter. And many customers have now abandoned Canada Post and won't come back. As a result, it's going to be harder to keep even a basic level of service alive for Canadians. We're into some tough times because the government took too long to act.
Ani McKinnon, kung patuloy na hindi magkasundo ang dalawang panig, ipapabalik trabaho niya ang mga nagwawelgang manggagawa sa ilalim ng kasulukuyang kasunduan hanggang sa May 22, 2025. Posible rin daw maibalik ang mail services sa susunod na linggo. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.